Hello. Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be trying out Soap & Glory products. I'll be back. Alright, so I went to Target. I had a $25 gift card and I decided that I was going to buy some Soap & Glory products because one, I wanted to try them. So I decided to film a video of me trying some of their products in front of the camera for you guys. I'm going to put my hair up so we can get started. Alright, so the first makeup product that I'm going to be trying for you guys is their, I'm not going to say the real name of it because it has a cuss word and we're trying to have family friendly content here, but it's their Kick Butt Concealer. Anywhoosie, I'm going to put this on like I would normally, and I was going to get their foundation, but I don't even use foundation, so I pretty much just bought products that I would use every day because my daily makeup routine consists of concealer, eyebrows, and I'm a loyal fan to e.l.f. so I didn't buy their eyebrow stuff, and mascara, but I did go out of my comfort zone and get their lip gloss because Haley Pham was like swearing by this stuff, and so I was like, you know, I should try it out too. Alright, I am going to put this under my eyes. To blend this all out, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Ooh, oh god, it blends really nice. Wow. Oh, I was using the NYX HD concealer and I did not like it, so I wanted to get a new concealer and I'm really liking this one. I guess you could say it's like a sheer coverage. I'm gonna go in one more time to try and cover up my dark circles because I've been partying all day. It also brightens. I really like this. That's solid, and it's really lightweight, so that's also super nice. I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick. Eyebrows are done. Alrighty, so eyebrows are done. I am now going to be trying their Thick and Fast mascara. I got the shade in Super Jet Black because I like really dark mascara. Okay, that is a huge brush. Let's try this. That is a really nice mascara. Yeah. I see you, Soap & Glory. Okay, let's zoom in here. This is my eyeball with the mascara. And this is it without. So there's definitely a difference. Yeah, it's definitely voluminizing. I don't know if this one has the little fibers in it like some mascaras. Yeah, it looks like it has the little fibers in it that make your eyelashes longer, which is really cool, and I've never had a mascara like that before. Yep, definitely using this again. This is really nice. Now for what I have been waiting for, the Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss. I've been looking for a good lip gloss. I've been using the Benefit Marvelous Moxie one, and I feel like this one will be similar. I picked the darker Nude Star one. I guess here's what it looks like inside. Is it bad that I'm a little scared to try it? It smells like, where have I smelled this before? I don't know what this smells like. So it says it's limp pumping. I mean, was there a difference? Oh, I'm feeling the buzz now. Okay. It's kind of gradual, not gonna lie. I really like the color of it though, and I was mainly getting it for the color. And I would definitely buy this one again. It's really nice. That was me trying Soap & Glory makeup. And I'm not going to the beauty guru side at all. This was just for fun. Yeah, this was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe down below. Turn on post notifications so you know when I post. I've started posting 2 times a week. And yeah, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.